Buenos días, amigas, amigos, mamás, papás, familias. Rosita here with Señora Rosa. And today I thought we would make something together. What we're going to make is called Papel Picado, which means confetti. But that's not what we're making. What we're making is going to be on this piece of paper. And this Papel Picado confetti is what's left, which we'll be throwing away, or we could just play with it at our table. So, it's pretty simple. All you need is papel, paper. This happens to be printer paper, which yours may be white, which is perfect, white blanco. This is yellow, amarillo. I'll tell you a little bit more about that as I make my papel picado. But you're also going to need scissors. Señora Rosa scissors are sharp. You need to use scissors that are meant for niños y niñas, for boys and girls. You'll also need some thread or yarn or even dental floss if you don't have thread, yarn, or ribbon from decorating packages. Okay, so this is what we do. Mama and Papa can help you, or maybe your sister, hermana, or your brother, hermano. So what you do is you get 2 pieces of paper so it gets done a little quicker. And you fold it in half. Doesn't matter which way, just in half, just like this. And then you fold it in half again. And then you get the corner that is all folds, not the ones with open ends, the one that is all folds. Mama or Papa need to help you with this. And you get your scissor and you can cut a triangle. And then you go and you cut some more triangles on the sides. And you keep going and 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 going. Now, while I do this, let me tell you about papel picado. In countries like Mexico, it's used there to decorate during celebrations. Excuse me, Ron, I'm busy. And during those celebrations, colors are used on the papel picado to show what type of celebration you're holding. So maybe on a birthday celebration, you may make it pink because it's someone's favorite color, right? Or maybe you're going to make it the colors of the Mexican flag, which ours would be, for our flag here in the U.S., it would be red, rojo, white, blanco, or blue, azul. So today, yellow, it's a fun color, so we're making it amarillo just for fun, and also because that's all I had. So I'm going to open this now that it's all cut up. And Ron, excuse me, you're being rude. And here we have el papel picado. Now, what we do is we pick one corner, second, la segunda, dos, and if Mama or Papa has a hole punch in it, you use that. But if not, you can make your own little hole like this. Open it up. Another one on the opposite side. Put it on the hole. Open it. Mama and Papa may have a hole puncher and that'll make it easier. Now I take them, separate them, and finally I get a piece of yarn, in this case yarn, and I'm going to tie them, atarlos together, leaving a big space between. Maybe this big, grande, pequeño, not too big, it's a little pequeño. pequeño, small, but you can make it big, grande, if you like. And once they're tied together, you can make more. Mama and Papa can make more. And maybe if you have brothers and sisters, hermanos y hermanas, they can make more. And then you'll have this. And you can decorate your home like I did here for today's dinner, la cena. Here it is. That's what it'll look like. Papel picado. Hope you enjoy making papel picado. For now, adios.